Hey guys, Logan out here at Donnelly Ford in Ashland. Just wanted to hop on here and show you what was dropped over the weekend. The all-new 2024 Mustang GT 5.0. This one is a 6-speed manual. Completely redone on the interior, the exterior. Really like what they did with the interior on this one. You have the leather seats, heated steering wheel, the all-new 12.4-inch digital instrument cluster, the 13.2-inch display, all your heating, cooling, push-button start, wireless charging pad, again, 6-speed manual, different drive modes, different exhaust modes, all the latest safety technology, blind spot, lane keeping, auto high beams. Stop out, take a look at it, guys. Logan out here at Donnelly Ford. Thank you.